Hey guys, it's your girl Wandika, originally from Jamaica. Happy holidays! I thought it would be good to shoot from this angle near my Christmas tree because today I want to show you my December daily. Hey guys! I'm in Georgia now, so my setup is a little bit different. I had to find a way to do an overhead without my usual, shoe rack apparatus. And so that's why I see a little bit of shadow here because I'm using the bottom part of a stool. But okay, I wanted to show you, me completing or filling up more pages in my Christmas December daily. I haven't done anything, and it's now the 21st, and I just didn't have the time. And now that my grades have been entered, I can do that. But I wanted to show you some stuff, and just to show you that I'm slowly coming back to this like craft craze that I had. I thought I lost it, but I guess my mojo's back because I went to the Goodwill. I found this book, this awesome book. I was gonna make it into a new book. You know how I make these like vintage books, but the paper is so sturdy and strong that I think I want to do, just keep it the way it is, and then you have probably about 9 or so pages in the front blank, and I may also just use it as a writing journal and just write around it. Believe this is German, so it's not even words that I could really understand or use, but I just love the paper so much, so I'll be using this for myself. I thought I was gonna make a book with it, but I don't want to disturb it. It's just so awesome. And then here are some books that I got at the Goodwill. I took as soon as I bought it, I took all the insides because, I don't really need those. The spine was falling apart, so I just kept the covers. And what I like about it is its design. That one. This one, I put a hole in it just to see if I should get this. I also got this at Goodwill because I no longer had one of these. I had to give it away before I moved. A bigger one, but this is also good because all I really need it for most of the time is to make these holes so I can run my ribbon through it. And of course I love the design on this, so this is going to also be a book that I'll use. And this one as well is something I just love. The covers, so artsy at the same time. It's artsy and also vintage, so I have so many ideas about what I'm gonna do with this. And I also brought 3 other books that I started to compile, for the website, so I'm gonna be sewing these while I'm here. The rest I might do when I get back because I still have to prepare for next semester. I still have to read, I still have to prepare for my presentations and all that stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys, I got this at Tuesday morning. Last time I was at Tuesday morning, I wasn't very excited, but now I went back and I was like, I could get some of these like napkins. I didn't go crazy, but cause I'm like, I have to carry them in my suitcase. And then I got this number stickers and these. So I'm thinking maybe, I don't want to make promises, but maybe I will start for next year. I'll do a planner like I used to. And I got this, I have some acrylic paint, so I may use this small canvas. The thing for me is to start small, because I have to come back to it, and so I want to make sure it's manageable. Don't promise myself too much and feel disappointed. I did bring a bunch of my ephemera for the books that I am sewing, as well as I have this case with my tools, which is something that I will keep. And because last time I got frustrated with moving and I just gave away everything, but I think I'll just keep more of my tools. The only thing I kept was my stamp that says Wandika Gale Art, but I got back some more stuff. Very excited about my future craft exploits. So that's what I'll be doing. So what I'll be doing for this, because I will just, let me show you just the inside so you see. I did change this up because when I showed you guys this first, it was mostly pink paper. But I said, now that I found the Christmas book, I should put some more Christmas stuff in here. Not just like the stapled on ephemera. So this is coming from the book of Christmas that I showed you. I put down some fabric, you know. I put down my calendar. And I cut this out of the book. I had a few of these and the numbers from my old Christmas book that I didn't use. They were in pockets, so I was glad that I had those because they know they came in handy. I had put down some of these. This was in the original book, but I had some of these came from these ephemera packets I got from Tuesday morning. So I put down a few stuff already. You know, I have a pocket here and here. I still have some of the pink paper and some red paper where it was in the book of Christmas. You know, so it's a small book and it works great for Instax print. So I printed out a few pictures. I'm going to print some more. Have some pockets there. Yeah. So it's very junky and it makes me feel happy because it reminds me of how I used to do stuff. One of my colleagues sent me a Christmas card. I put it here because it had just words, so it would be a great place to stick a photo. And you know, so some more numbers. I think I put the higher numbers on this side. Okay. Yeah, so very small. I think I'd, you know, feel very, you know, not overwhelmed at all to do this one. So let's get started.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have journals on sale on my website. It's now 50% off until Christmas. You don't want to miss this sale. So go right over to wandikagale.com/web-store. Alright? And I'll see you guys next time. Walk good.